Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your MEXC account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Visit the MEXC website and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realize it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. Enabling two-factor authentication is a crucial step in securing your account. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible and secure.